Hello there, I'm Irvin, but you might know me as the Lazy Arquitecto for time-saving AutoCAD tools and tutorials for architects. Layers are a fundamental feature of AutoCAD. You can create them to apply colors, line weights, transparency, and more. In other words, layers can control your whole drawing in AutoCAD. Having used AutoCAD layers on a daily basis for years, I can tell you that there are two groups of people: those who uses layers poorly, causing rework and headaches, and those who uses layers efficiently, work smartly, and make their lives so much easier. So, if you want to be in group 2, watch this video till the end, because here are my top 3 AutoCAD layers tips and tricks. Number 1. Assign layer. Here is the quickest method to assign layers in AutoCAD. When you create a layer, name it with the start letter that is easy to find. For example, door, X for existing, door, new for new doors. Now, if you want to assign layer to this door, simply type D as many times as you need to find your layer. No need to spend time looking for layers. Number 2. Default layers variables. System variable is a powerful way to set default layers in AutoCAD. Let's say you wanna specify a default layer for your new dimensions. Use the dim layer system variable and specify your design layer. Now the next time you use a dimension, your dimension will automatically set to your default layer. One of the benefits of setting up default layers is that if the layer doesn't exist in your current drawing, AutoCAD will create it for you. In the same way, you can specify default layers for hatches using the HP layer system variable and xref layer for your AutoCAD xrefs. Number 3. xref layer color change. Want an easy way to change the color of a layer in an xref? Click the Lay Off command and select the xref layer that you would like to change. For instance, I'll click this one because that's the layer that I would like to change on this xref. Then I'll open my layer palette, click here once, twice, and the layer that you just turned off will appear at the top. So turn it back on and change the color. This is a great way to save time. No need to open your xref and check the layer name. So, what are your layer tricks? Let's share them in the comments below.